Labą dieną. Gaminsime tikka masala.
Hello and welcome. Start by cutting a kilo or 2.2 pounds of chicken thighs in smaller pieces. This time, instead of saying all amounts, I had put them on the screen. What do you guys think? Is it better when I say it? Or should I just say the name of the ingredient and leave the exact amount in the recipe? What's your favorite approach? Let us know in the comment section. Mix all spices together. Add some oil to the chicken. Then add the spices and mix everything thoroughly. Add more oil if necessary. Melt a couple pieces of butter in the pan. Add the chicken and fry it on high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they become brown. Don't forget to turn the pieces over once a while. You can chop 4 cloves of garlic and 1 big onion while the chicken is frying. Move the chicken to the bowl. At this moment the smell is irresistible and I had a small bite. You could eat it now if you like the meat on the salty side, if not, let's move to the sauce. Leave the pan as it is, add chopped onion and fry them until they soften. Add the garlic, a tablespoon of tomato paste, about a cup of tomato puree, simmer it for about 5 minutes, a teaspoon of ground ginger and a quarter teaspoon of chili flakes, a can of coconut milk, cut the meat in smaller pieces. Nu ką, mėsa jau beveik baigta, ar ne?
Visiškai minkšta, iškepusi va.
Vis tiek dar padažėt truputėlį pabus ir bus gerai.
Taip. Sudėsime mėsą į padažą.
Add some fresh cilantro, let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add some spices if needed. Add some boiled rice and enjoy this incredible recipe. Tai va, su Mo pagaminam tikka masalą, dabar paragausim. Prašau.
Gerai. Tikka masala, tikras tikka masala.
Nemeluosiu, iš tikrųjų daug tikiuosi šito patiekalo.
Žinai, tai labai skanu, tikrai skanu.
Aš labai galvoju, kad irgi taip turėtų būti.
O, svečias. Labai skanu. Paprastai skanu.
Norėtume su Mo padėkoti už visas peržiūras, už visus komentarus, visus laikus ir panašiai.
Taip, ir viso gero.
Iki kito karto.
Iki malonaus. Labai skanu.
Nesuvalgyk visko.
Gerai, einam valgyt vaikučiai vis.
Thank you guys for watching. Our channel has been doing very well lately and it's only because of each and every one of you. You would help even more if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, consider pressing the bell button to get notified each time we release a new video. In addition to that, you can use one of the links in the description below to support us. Until next time, goodbye. Cheers.